because he's gotta be creating a buzz. There's no bitch behind these bars, he doesn't bow in the showers, and no impulse to keep him sweet, he's acting sour to cowards. While the flavour shuts him up. 2 months ago we were talking about a wedding, now we're walking past each other in a Tesco. Oh, I'm as bitter as the Boddingtons, I drown my sorrows in. I heard about the Gautier sound and borrowed it. Since he went and left, all my sympathetic friends say, don't worry, she's gonna come around tomorrow, kid. They mean well, but I don't believe that, babe. Tomorrow never comes, I'll never see that day. You're the exit sign I hung for above the front door, because you really didn't have to leave that way. But that wasn't enough, you grabbed all of your stuff. Time's up, you must be slow. Now count yourself lucky that I ain't used a faster flow. This is to every single bus that ever asked me to go, before I got the chance to quit with a Saki tone. And just so every single one of you bastards know, the only job I ever get now starts with blow. You were just a massive moaner like a particular drawing, putting me through shit I'm sure was not within the law. If I say I want my masters, it doesn't mean I wanna be a slave, it means I own all my original recordings. I used to have a place in your heart, now you probably don't even see my face in your head. I may as well go to sleep in the sky, because I see too much space in the bed. I wanna break off the dial every tune, cause every song on the radio reminds me of you. But I can't make a record selection, since your friend came to collect your collection. If I ever told you I could let you go, please believe I only said it in the heat of the moment. Amy Winehouse said love's a losing game, she was right, because I don't even see my opponent. What hurts most is that you vanished by choice. Now I feel lower than Barry White's voice. Now I'm in the lobby of a studio, writing a song about somebody that I used to know.